Scrag a leg, everybody. I'm gonna keep that because I'm stupid. What am I cooking today? Ground turkey a la Pitu. And I buy it's a 4-pack of these at Costco, and they're $17.48 for the 4-pack. So it's fantastic deal. And sometimes when I'm feeling dangerous, I make some tacos with this. I like my tacos with like real beef, but sometimes when I'm dangerous, I use some turkey. Now to get some of my ingredients. The powders. That's what I call them. That's what we call them in the industry. The powders. At the chop. You get it? You get it? No, I'm gonna shut up now. Parsley! If I don't have fresh parsley, I use flakes. I like to use fresh parsley. But sometimes, you either get lazy, you don't want to cut it, or you don't have parsley. So, you just use what you got. Yes, I got garlic, so I don't need garlic powder. No for you, buddy. Not feeling lazy for you. Wow, that's strong. Adobo, of course. Little adobo action. Come on, bro. What kind of meal? What kind of Puerto Rican meal is that without no adobo? A little cumin. I'll also be putting sofrito in there. That's what point of making it, son. And now, since you know how to make it, you can make it. And you know how to make white rice. So you essentially will know how to make this whole meal. What? I know, bro. I'm a boss. Cumin. Oh, this is ginger, bro. Fail. I need bay leaves for the rice. Don't worry, I won't bore you with the rice. I already made a video on that one. But I still need to make it. I got a little bit of oregano. Where's my paprika? Oregano. I don't feel like putting up the pictures today, so I'm putting this up. That's it. We got a chicken bouillon cube. That's not a cube. It's actually powder. Like I said, I'm looking for the powders. A little Zayson with Afrin. So I forgot to purchase some butter. So we have to use spreadable butter. Again, work with what you got. I'm glad this just happened because this is what I would do. And if I did not have spreadable butter, I would have just used olive oil, which I forgot to take out. Oh, Pitu, you fell, son. But yeah, so this is what I use. The butter's the same brand. And some salsa de tomate. Is this looking good? Yes, it is. I think I'm gonna may need some more, might not. But salsa tomate. Yeah, don't do this. Don't do this. This is just because, I'm in the video, I wanna be on frame all the time, I don't wanna take it to it belongs. But don't do this at your house. Do not put him in the freaking stove, bro. You don't want to do that. This is where the magic happens right here. This is a cast iron skillet. And I freaking love it. I freaking love it. You season it. I'm sure you can find tutorials on how to season it. All I did was put it in the fire when I bought it. Put a little bit of olive oil. Season it. And then just wash it with water. I don't use soap. You don't use soap with this stuff. You use a brush with water and clean it. And then you put oil. I use Pam. Olive oil or the normal Pam, doesn't matter. Whatever I have on deck. Whatever I have on deck. Damn, I'm lit. Hip with the little kids. Bro, sofrito smells so good. There you go. Come on, don't focus on me, bro. Focus on the sofrito. Focus on the sofrito. Look how delicious that looks. Why am I whispering? Oh, I got it on my nose. Even better. Alright, so I'm gonna put 3 pieces here. And a little butter in the middle, just got so good! I'm gonna put the turkey in here so I can put all the ingredients in there. Real nice! This thing is really sticky too, so yeah. It's gonna stick, bro. Yeah, like I said, it's really sticky. Stupid Turkey, bro. Why can't you not? Listen, I'm on camera right now, bro. This wasn't smooth, man. I thought we had this conversation. This needed to be smooth transition. Put it in medium. I'm gonna start doing this a little bit while I start mixing. I haven't mixed the stuff yet. Woo! Look at that. Smooth again, bro. Smooth. Let's do this. Look at that. Yeah, by all means. Break something. Olive oil. Yes, sir. I'm on my way, phone. Cubito de pollo. Cubito de pollo. Seitan. It's gonna be all delicious, bro. Why am I looking at the camera? All you can see is my chin. Sazon. What else we got here? Adobo, of course. Woo! I'm really generous with the adobo. A little bit of paprika. Cloves got one. A little cumin. Woo! Man, all this stuff gets together. It smells delicious. And a little oregano. That's it. I put the parsley afterwards. Does it make a difference? I don't know. But I do it anyways. Whoopity. Here we go. Can you see that, guys? That's what I do. That's it. Just start mushing it all up. Where's my... Did I catch that? Yeah. It was gonna fall, so I grabbed it. Awesome. More dishes to do. It's beautiful, Pitu. God, I love this show. So essentially, all I'm looking for is for the color to be consistent everywhere. So el sazon, which is the most powerful color ingredient in here, because it gives it a good color because of the color of the sazon. So it makes me think that everything's nice and even. Alrighty. So I'm gonna start mixing this together, so you can see getting nice and melted. I use a wooden spoon on this. I don't want to scrape the iron because you are building a layer over here of flavor. That's one of the main awesomeness of this of having a cast iron skillet is that layer of deliciousness because it keeps absorbing what you cook. I don't know how to explain it properly, but this is essentially what it is. So that's why you don't clean it with soap or anything like that, right? Little salsita tomate, please. I think I'm gonna do the whole thing. Oh, you know what I forgot to add? The garlic. Oh, yo. All right. Clutch. Ooh, baba. So you see how it starts smoking? That's what I wait. That's pretty much ready to go. Now, again, I screwed up because I should have had added the garlic before, because then the flavors come out, blah blah blah. But you know, Mr. Dumas over here, or Chef Dumas, screwed up. So I'm gonna leave it here just a little bit longer. It's all for the camera show right here. Here we go. Eat it. Eat it. Eso. Now I do recommend you put water on this bowl immediately, otherwise all this freaking turkey is gonna turn into stone, and yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to watch. You never handled a cast iron skillet before? This handle will get extremely hot. It's not yet, but it will. Espérate. Let me add the... Come on, bro. Okay, well, that's enough. It's heavy enough that it doesn't move. I mean, this is like, what, 10 pounds probably? It's... Oh yeah! This doesn't happen to me normally. Why is it happening now that I'm on camera, bro? Come on! We talked about this, dog. This turkey, bro. Hey, casting producer, you're fired. Casting the shittiest bag of turkey in the world, making me look stupid. So back to the topic at hand. It's heavy enough that you don't have to hold it that often. I'm used to it. So it takes a little bit. It takes about 2-3 minutes of non-stop moving, at least for me, to get all the ingredients together. and I mean the sofrito, everything that was here before the meat. Yeah, so I just want to make sure it's nice and covered. And it kind of is. And then I just flatten it out. Essentially put it, I spread it out. Not flatten out, spread it out throughout the skillet. And let it cook for a little bit and pay attention to it. I don't know how long it takes because I've never actually counted it. But I have it in medium most of the time. If I change the temperature, I'll let you know, but I don't think I do. I just cook it and then I just... Another thing that I add sometimes is cooking wine. Spend like 3 minutes, come back here, move it again. Iberia, vino de cocinar, vino blanco. This is white wine. There you go, dry white cooking wine. Do not beverage it, or not. Oh, not for wow, what? not for beverage use. For some reason, I don't know why I said do not. I'm an idiot. I put my finger on here so it doesn't, so I'm not pouring the drink, and then just go like this. Just squirt a little bit. That's what she said. And that's it. Add a little bit of moisture in there, a little flavor, and whatever else real chefs use this shit for. Oh, rice is done. Beautiful, bro. So wait, like I said, this cooks really quick. I mean, it doesn't take that long. 15 minutes at the most. I don't even know how long I've been here. I should have been timing myself, but it doesn't take 20 minutes. Let's just say 20 minutes at the most. 20 minutes at the most. Because this took 20 minutes to cook. This hasn't been here for 20 minutes, clearly. And it's almost ready to rock and roll. So, it's really quick. So, since it's already it's almost all cooked, I'm gonna just one notch. It's between medium and medium low. You probably have a high-tech, brand new range. So this knob's don't even exist on it. But it's between medium low and medium. If that makes any sense on your range. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. Also, this is pretty much exactly how I cook my ground beef. It's essentially the same. Very simple. Like I said, easy to remember. It tastes delicious. Everybody likes it. It's pretty good. So I use essentially the same steps. It's just instead of ground turkey, it's ground beef. And I do the same thing when I'm doing tacos. I don't know, do we have tacos here? No, I do not. But the tacos bring a packet of flavor, powder. I use it, but I still cook it the way I want to cook it. And they come out freaking delicious. So the meat looks almost fully cooked. I mean, it's pretty much done. Ready to serve, ready to eat. And that's how simple it is. I mean, it really is. It's very simple. Didn't take that long. And it wasn't very complicated. AKA simple. So I'm going to try it here real quick. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. And if it isn't, well, Ebola or Salmonella, one of those crazy pooping diseases. Wish me luck. Nice and juicy. Oh, yep. Awesome. Let me turn it off. There you go, guys. That's what it looks like. It's all nicely cooked. It's not dry, so you can see there's still liquid in there, which is good because it keeps the meat wet and nice and juicy. You don't want it to get it all dry. And yeah, pretty good, pretty simple, man. So hopefully you enjoy making this if you do. Well, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you did, by all means, subscribe. I do a lot of things on this channel. And I'm loving it. I was going to say enjoying it, but I'm loving it. And if you try and cook this, let me know how it comes out, man. If you got any questions, hit me up. I'm always here, ready for answers. So, yeah, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. And, did I say Puerto Rican Delight? I don't think so. Puerto Rican Delight! Mmm. I wasn't planning on eating right now, but it was good. I'm telling you guys, it's delicious. Now I want to make tacos. Oh, okay. That's it.